Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Cubicle Pro Shop X-Man Bell Pyramix. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get straight into this. Let's just move the tip there. A nice green cubicle stand. Let me go ahead and move all this out of the way. Anyways, let's get on to first turns. Oh nice. This is interesting. I didn't expect it to have so much lube. I thought it would just be, lightly lubed, but I can see that it does have quite a bit of lube and it's actually quite greasy from the outside. Overall, it's really quiet as well, and this puzzle turns quite nicely in my opinion. Yeah, it's quite fast. Overall, I like it. And it turns quite decently. It's a little gummy out of the box, but like it said that it would be a little gummy out of the box. So yeah, I quite like this overall. So for my first impressions, I would give this an 8.5 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing video on the Cubicle Pro Shop X-Man Bell Pyramix. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.